Welcome to the adventures of the Oklahoma Gruntman. Please like, share, comment, and hit that notification bell. Thank you. Hey everybody, welcome to the adventures of the Oklahoma Gruntman. It's just a gorgeous Tuesday morning. Just out here, I was doing some weeding in the garden. Dried up enough now that I could get out there in the garden a little bit. Got some weeding done and the garden's looking good. So we get some nice sunshine again today. But I just wanted to see and bless you guys all a great Tuesday. Got a pretty big day of events going on today. Of course, we got the live this evening. But by the time I get this posted, it'll already be into the live. So I hope you guys can join in with us on that, because it usually is a lot of fun. So if you guys joined in on that, thank you for being there with me. Yeah, yesterday I got my first bookmark sent off to Denise up in Canada. I appreciate her. Thank you, Denise. I'm waiting to hear back from a person over in the UK that wants 4 of them. But I haven't heard anything back yet. Hopefully today I'll hear something about the Bible that I gave away to the person in Texas. She said she was going to share some pictures with me, but I haven't received anything yet. But yeah, it's going to be a good day. I got a few things lined up already for today. They're kicking off with a little bit of the rodeo stuff today on Main Street, so we'll go up and get that. I'm just ready to go in and make a little breakfast. I'm going to have oatmeal again this morning, trying to get my weight loss going a little better. And then we'll be prepping for the live when Tristan gets here. Need to get all set up for that. But yeah, overall it's going to be a good day, I think. Wednesday is the actual kickoff of the rodeo at the arena, but I'm not going to be there Wednesday. I'm going Thursday and Friday, like you guys have seen yesterday's video. So yeah, so I'm going to go in and make a little breakfast, make some oatmeal with some walnuts and raisins, and we'll pick this back up when we get breakfast done. And yeah, we'll just take you along with us today on the journey, and God bless you. I hope you have a beautiful Tuesday. It's starting off really nice here. I think it's going to be a little warm again today, but hey, we'll take the warm. The garden actually needs a little sunshine to help it grow. We've had plenty of rain the last couple days, so yeah, we'll talk to you later. God bless.
Hey everyone, just a little pre-setup of a live video tonight for Keith's channel. He's setting up and we're getting the camera angles right, the microphone adjusted, and yeah, Keith, this is on your vlog.
Alrighty. Well, I got sticky things now, but no more hooks. we will improvise. Pretty good?
Pretty good.
Okay, I think we're gonna go with this setup. I got the flag and my signs up here, so I think we're gonna go with that. Looks pretty good to me. What do you think, Tristan? You think that'll work?
Yeah, I like the G lettering, and I like the candle. It's a nice addition. Then of course the American background. Pretty good for the Gruntman.
Send fan mail to the Adventures of the Oklahoma Gruntman. P.O. Box 2204, Woodward, Oklahoma 73802. Okay, we're going to run up to the post office a minute and check the P.O. box, and then we're going to run up and find a place to sit for the cattle drive, the Longhorn steers that they're going to run through Main Street. And we'll get a video of that for you guys. And yeah, the day's getting started. We got fan mail that will open on the live tonight. Hey everybody, we're just sitting here on Main Street before the cattle drive. We found a nice little shady area here for now anyway. We're here plenty early, but it'll fill up fast too. So I know we're sitting here right across from the Cafe Pardee. I don't know if that's what we're smelling, but man, it smells really good. It's making us both hungry. So yeah, just a quick update here. Yeah, it could be coming from Pollyanna's down there too, but yeah, something smells really good. So just a quick update. We'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, I need your help. I had a comment on my yesterday's video from Miss Laura Lee, the Karen. Let's make her famous. Go back there on my video yesterday and leave her a comment on what you think of my channel. She was very rude, and I'll just give you guys an opportunity, and then I think I'm just gonna block her from my channel. I don't need to listen to her or any other Karens out there. I'm not doing this to please her or anybody else. If you like my channel, great. If not, just keep moving on and keep your comments to yourself. But I'll put a link to her channel so you can make her famous for me. Nobody forced her to watch my videos, so I don't know why she felt obligated to comment on them. She said nobody wants to see my videos. Well, obviously there's 1,700 and some of you that have subscribed that do want to see them. So yeah, I guess I'm taking this a little bit too personal, I guess, but I'm not a rude person, but I'm just tired of the Karens out there in the world that have to rain on somebody's parade because she's too chicken to do videos herself. She has no videos posted of her own, so why does she even care if I post videos? But okay, that's just enough of that rant. I just wanted to share that with you, and I'll put a link to her comment, and if you want to go back and comment on there, feel free to do it. I love you guys, and we'll talk to you later. Okay, we got a drone flying above us here. Someday I'd like to have one. It's pretty cool. He's up there just hovering. Kind of neat. Okay, we can see the cattle coming up the road here. They're about a half a block or a block away right now, getting ready to come over the tracks. Got a pretty good crowd that came out to see the cattle drive come down Main Street, and then they'll head over to the rodeo arena, and then they'll be ready for the start of the rodeo. But the cowboys are leading them in on their horses, and the cowgirls. Looks like even a couple kids on horses in there. But yeah, these Longhorn cattle are pretty cool. If I'm not mistaken, I think they said last year this is one of the biggest herd of cattle, Longhorn cattle in the country. If I remember right, that's what they said last year at the rodeo. So yeah, they got a pretty good sized herd. I don't know if this is all of them, but I know this ranch has one of the biggest herds ever. But that is a neat looking one. They got some big old horns on them. Yeah, these are Texas Longhorns, except these are Oklahoma. Wow, this one's got a set of horns on him.
Wow.
Pretty wild.
How you doing, sir?
Good.
Good, thanks for showing out.
Yep, can't wait for the rodeo to start now. I'm pretty excited. Hey everybody, I think I'm just going to wrap up my vlog early today because I'm going to be doing my live this evening. So I'm just going to get this out of the way, and don't have a whole lot today, but we did do some kind of fun stuff, and hope you guys liked the cattle drive through Woodward here. It was pretty interesting. We had a lot of fun with it. Did see a guy who had a drone flying, and yeah, someday I'll have a drone like that. It'd be kind of neat to get some good video with a drone, but it all comes in time. Just got to be patient. But I definitely appreciate you guys. I've said it over and over again, without you guys, my YouTube channel is nothing. I will share a little clip in here, a screenshot of a person that commented on my video yesterday. Lana Ann, I think was her name, or something like that. Anyway, I'll post the link to it. If you guys could go back and let's make her famous and just blow her comment up. She was pretty rude. I don't see any reason to be that way. So if you guys want to go back and comment to her about it, you can go read the comment that's on there. I think I'll leave it up for another day, and then I'm just going to delete her and block her. But yeah, she was very rude, I thought, and it was very inappropriate. So if you guys want to go do that, I'll leave it up for another day, and then like I say, I'll just delete it and block her. But I'll post a clip in the video here. Well, you've already seen it by this point. So anyway, don't forget about the live tonight at 6:30 p.m. Central. Like I say, the second one we did, we had a blast with it. It was a lot of fun. So I hope you guys can tune into that and join me. And we can tell some stories, and basically it's going to be question and answer. And there will be the little surprise, like I said, tonight on there. So I hope you tune in for that. And basically, that's about all I have to say, I guess. Tristan's here. He's going to be the moderator again and help me with it. So yeah, shout out to him. But anyway, I'm going to get this posted quick before the live, and hope you guys have a blessed evening and can tune in with us. God bless you, and remember, treat everybody the way you want to be treated and make this world a better place. God bless you, and talk to you later.